Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So from today onwards we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 8.1, which is in page number 167 of your maths book. So the name of the chapter is decimals, as we have already started introduction yesterday in our yesterday's class. So as mentioned, I'll be doing exercise 8.1 from today onwards. So here is the video. So question number 1 and 2 we are going to solve today. Question number 1 state that write the following numbers in the given table. So the figure is given out here, A and B. So looking at this figure, you have to fill the table for each figure. Okay, so let us solve for number A first. So for number A, I'm solving here. So you know that in decimal, whenever we are writing any decimal number, it has got certain place value, right? Say for 43.25. Why it is a decimal number? Because of this point, right? So in our lower class, when we didn't have any basic idea of the decimal, till then we just understood what is ones, what is the tens place in the given number, for a given number. But whenever we are dealing with the ones decimal number, we go ahead, that is we cross this boundary of the point, and then we say it as a 10th position, t and th, which is written as 1 by 10. Over here it is written ones 1, tenths 10, 1 0. But for 10th or 10th, it is written 1 by 10. And for 5 over here it is 100, so it is written 1 by 100 like this. So this is the place value of the 5 here, which is written as 100. th should be mentioned out there, suffix th, okay, should be there like this. So this is, I have all discussed about this in the introduction class, right? So using that concept, now we will be solving this problem. So we have to look at this figure A and fill this box. So this is in 10th position. So 10th is how many card you can see? 2, right? So you'll write simply 2 over there. In 10th position. This is a 10th position. Now 10th means it is after the decimal, right? Now in the ones position there is only 1. So you'll write simply 1 out there. In 10th position, how many stack of rectangular pieces are there? Just see 3, 1, 2, 3. So you simply write 3. Okay. Is there any stack, or is there any building block in 100 position? There is no 100 position. So simply we will write 0 in the 100 position. Alright. I hope you guys understood why we are writing 0. So this is the way of filling the box. I have already explained you how to fill in the introduction class. Now let us do number B also. Whenever we are making, whenever they have asked us to make the table, it is mandatory to make the table very neat and clean table. Okay, so let me make the table first, and let us fill the 10th position. Let us write me 10th here, then ones, then tens. This from here, from ones, tens, we go towards the, we don't cross the point, that is we are writing the place value of this side. Okay, and whenever we are writing 10th, 100 or 1000, we are writing after the decimal number. That should be clear to everyone. Okay, tens then we have is 100, HUNDREDS, 100. Okay, so for 100 we write 100. With tens we will write 10. Once we will write 1, and for 10th 1 by 10. If there is 100 position also, I will be writing 100 out there. Okay, so in 10th, how many cards you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangular pieces are there. So you'll write 4 out there after counting. There is no ones position. Here you have to look this. There is no ones position. No ones position means you will not write any. It doesn't mean you will not write anything. You'll simply write 0 out there. Because there is no number, there is no rectangular pieces in ones, that means it is 0 rectangular pieces. Here what is the rectangular block? Only 1, so simply write 1 in the ones position. Now we have got 100 position also here, so there is only 1, so simply it is 1. So this is how we should fill the table. I hope you guys understood. will follow the class very properly. Okay, as mentioned, we will be solving question number 2 also. Let us start solving 2. So question number 2 is also very similar to that of question number 1. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Very easy, right? So 19.4. If I simply write the place value of this, I'll be writing this as ones and I'll be writing this as a tens. And as this, there is no other number as in case of 100,000. So we will directly look after this. That is, what is the place value of 4? It is 10th. Once, then after the decimal it is 10th. Now let us make the table as they have asked us to make the table. So we will be writing 10 TENTH, then it is ones here, then it is tens. You may write the 100 value, 100 place value chart also there. If you have the number, you can fill that. Okay, so I'll be using this table for every number here. Okay, so for 19.4 I'm doing this number A. So as 4 is in the 10th position, so let me write 4 here. Okay, before writing this, let me write here 100, let me write here 10. Ones is 1 and 10th means 1 by 10. Now let us fill it one by one. Now 10th is 4 there, ones it is 9 and in tens it is 9. So this is how we should fill, right? Exactly, we should fill this way. Okay, now let us solve the next one. That is, the next number is B. 0.3, very simple. So 0.3, if we look at it is 10th position and it is ones position. So in ones you will write 0 and in 10th position you will write 03. Isn't it very similar? Or you can also fill this place value in which there is nothing. You may simply write 0 and fill the place out there. Okay, so let's do number C. You will do it as a home assignment. I request you all to do this, but number D I'm doing it right now. So for number C I'm keeping this place vacant so that you will do it, and number D I'm doing it right now. Okay, so number D, in number D it is 205. So number C is a home assignment. Number D is 205.9. As after the point we have 10th position, right? 10th, 5 is ones, 0 is tens, and this 2 is over here is 100, right? So this is our 100 position. 2, 0 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place, and in 10th position there is 9. So the value is 205.9. 10th means after the decimal there is one number which is 9. Alright, so I hope you guys understood this. This is the way of doing. I request you all to do this number C as a home assignment. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.